everyone, welcome to mathematics activity. Today we are going to do the activity. We are going to take a A4 sheet paper or A5 sheet paper, any paper you can choose, but by the help of single paper we are going to create 24 triangles. We are going to create 24 triangles. After creating this triangle, you can enjoy the playing like a toy. Now, today we are creating a toy, that is triangle toy. Now, I have chosen A5 sheet, whichever paper you choose, but the length must be, whatever you have chosen the length, half of that width you have to take. Now I have chosen 32 centimeter length, that half width is 16. So I marked with the help of the scale. Now I am going to cut that paper. As I told you, whatever length we are going to take, half of the length width must be taken. If you take 30 centimeter length of the paper, the width must be 15 centimeter. Now once you have got the paper strip in this way, these are no use. This paper you have to fold into 4 equal parts. First you have to fold like this. So once you fold, then one thing you have to keep in your mind, when you are folding, you have to press it properly. You have to press it properly. The lines must be created. After half of folding, we have got 2. Now again half of 4 equal part I have told you. No need to take the scale or anything. Just you have to do it like this. So now we have created 1, 2. Now third and fourth one, let us create this side. Now we have got 4 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this you have to place it like this. Then now we have to make 8 parts of this. Now we have to make 8 parts. So I am going to do now we have created, just check it, 2 parts. Now we have got how many parts? 2 parts. Now we have to make 8 equal parts. So after this you can create like this. You have to press it properly because those lines has to create. Now how many parts over? If I do like this, we have got 4 parts. Still I have to make 8 parts. How many? 8. After this again I will make it half of this. Now here 1, 2, 3. Again I can make it like this also. Whatever you are pressing, it must be create the line. So this side 4 over, another side also we will create 4. Now I have created 8 equal parts. Can you check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what we can do by the help of this, let us see. Now after making 8 equal parts, for alternate one line you have to draw. Alternately one line means you have to leave one and you have to draw the line. Now we have got rectangles. Where we have got the rectangles? This is one of the rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rectangles. For this rectangle, we have to draw the diagonals. What we have to draw? Diagonals. Now in this way, for the rectangles, we have to draw diagonals. But can we see here? Here in one rectangle, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, how many rectangles are there? 8. 8 4s are 32. But we are going to create 24 triangles. That you keep in the mind. Now we have got it like this. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 like this. How many rectangles are there? 8 are there. So 4 8s are 32 triangles are there. Now let us see. Now the same way, whatever these diagonals are there, we have to press it again on this line. We have to press it. Whatever diagonals are there, we have to press it. You can use the steel scale for this purpose. Then we can press it properly. Wait, now we have to press it. The another side also here, another side diagonals also we have to press the same way. You have to use the scale to keep and you have to press it. Both the sides you have to do it. You will get one pattern. In the mathematics you are learning pattern. Pattern means something is repeated. The same design is going to be repeated. So like that we are going to create here. Now you can observe that whatever pattern here we have got, the same pattern we have got back side. So when if you are not pressed properly, that pattern will not be created back side. So now you can observe that the same pattern you have got back side. Let us do now one more thing. Now what we have to do, we have got the same pattern back side also, the front side also. Now nothing, the next step we have to insert inside. Whatever here open area is there, open things is there, just you have to put it and you have to insert till it reaches to the, it must go inside. I mean as around 8 triangle has to go inside. So 34 minus 8 you will get 24. So we can create the 24 triangles. So 24 triangles we are going to create. 8 triangle has to go inside. Now we are getting like this 3 faces you will get. You can observe that here 8 triangle, 8, 8, 16 are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8, here 8, here 8. 8 4s are 20, 8 4s are 32. But in that 8 we have inserted inside. So now left out is 24. 24 are visible. Now it is very easy job. You can do that. Whatever you are getting the press, you have to make it like this. Just you have to put it inside. Then you will get hexagon shape. Which shape? Hexagon. 3 hexagon shape will be visible for you. Are you able to see the hexagon? If you insert it properly, see there is a one hexagon. Here another hexagon. Here totally 3 hexagon will be created. After this creation, it will be inside, it looks like this. Here it looks like this. After this, we have got 3 hexagon. We have got 3 hexagon. I told you to press inside those things. So we will get the hexagon. Those inside it looks like this. Now we can do like this. Just we have to put it, these two opposite triangle. You can create like this. Now can you see here there are the triangles. Are you able to see my triangles? Just observe it carefully. Here we have got. Now we can play these triangles. How? Like this. Like this. Now another face of triangle has come. Now again you can put inside. Again you can put inside. Like this you can play the triangle. But what we can do, I will tell you. There are open are there. For that open we have to put the gum tape. If you put the gum tape, it becomes easy. Otherwise also you can play it very nicely. So now you can ask me how you have got 24 triangles. Let me show that. Now let us count the triangle. This is one triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these numbers goes inside. Now we will get another set. That is, how many we have written here? We have written here
6.
Up to 6. Here we are writing 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12 again we can go inside. Then 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Still we can create. See, these are the opens. As I told you, you can put the slight gum tape. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 triangles we have created. So hope you understood how to create these 24 triangle. In this way you can play this. This is one of your toy also. Either you can make like a just puzzle also. Hope you know that how to make the puzzle. Let me show you. You can create by the help of the coloring also. I have done, but I could not do the coloring. So I have just showing you like this. Coloring can also be done. In this way you can start playing with the triangles. You can create by the help of the one A4 sheet or one single paper. You have 24 triangles can be created. The thing is, the length of the triangle, the length must be whatever you are taking, half of that width must be taken. Hope you understood the toy, how to create the triangle. In this way you can play the triangles. You can observe that here open, so you can put the gum tape for those. Three side you will get that type of open. You put the gum tape, which is just like it will be helpful for you to play also. So in this way you can start playing the different colors. In this way you can play it. Hope you understood how to make the 24 triangle with the help of one piece of paper. Enjoy by playing. Thank you, my dear students.